Hi guys, welcome back. Stunning day. So me and Becky decided to come out. I'm going to field test this product. It's something that I was quite interested in. You know, obviously you've seen my videos with the Land Rover, so I'm going to, if it's good, I'll order some more and keep it in my Land Rover, you know, as a supplement if you miss a meal or whatever. So I'm going to be using this over the weekend. So this one packet does 3 meals, and it's baked apple flavour, this one, and they send you a nice bottle with a mixer in there. So I'll show you that later when I mix up my first meal. So I'll get 3 meals out of this. So I'm going to have breakfast shortly, and then lunchtime meal, and then evening meal, and see if it keeps me sustained for the 30-hour period. So gorgeous day, isn't it, Bex?
Yeah, really sunny.
Gorgeous.
26 today, I think.
Yeah, 26 degrees, so I thought it was a perfect chance to come out with this. But this is awesome if you're hiking or going for a camp out and you want to go quite stealthy, so you don't need a fire or nothing. You've got your meal there. But it contains all your natural ingredients they've packed it with for daily recommended amount. It's got everything in there, so I'll see how good it is, and I'll give you an honest opinion of what I think of it. You know, if I am hungry or if it doesn't quite cut it. You know, I'm used to me bacon and me steaks and me nice cook-ups and me curries. So let's see what this product can do. Lovely day. It's probably our warmest camp out, isn't it? So we're itching to get out, enjoy the sunshine. Bit of heat in me old bones, eh? Huh?
About time.
You look like John Lennon there, Becky.
I know.
So like I said earlier, guys, I've bought no other food apart from that soluble food. So we see how we go. But this is beautiful here. Really nice. Itching to get out in the hammock. It's definitely hammock weather, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah.
Definitely hammock weather. So I'm going to have my first meal today, guys. So like I said, I'm going to be using this food, this soluble food, so I've got to add water to it. So I'm going to go for I've got 2 packets with me, so I'm going to go for the vanilla flavour. Try that out. And I'm going to mix it up in here with the little ball they give you. And that's the process instructions for making it up. So I'm going to go for the 195 grams of powder, which is the active measurement. You know, if you're quite active, I'm quite a big appetite person, so I'm going to go for the 195. So is this the future of our food? You know, will everything be like this eventually and we just eat solubles? It does save a lot of time in cooking and preparation. So let's give this a go. This is my first time of trying this. I'll tell you what the flavour's like, and later on I'll tell you if it sustained my appetite. I'm quite hungry now. So there's the contents. It smells pretty good actually. Like I said, it's vanilla flavour, and they give you markers. I don't know if you can see it, markers on the bottle. So I'm going to go for the active marker and then fill the rest up with water. So like I said, 195 grams of the powder. Good thing on these packets, they're resealable as well, which I really like. It keeps the powder nice and fresh. But you think I've got 30 hours of food, you know, it's only 500 grams in there, so it's not much weight in food compared to what I normally take. That goes in, and then I'll fill the container up to the top of the 750 fluid ounces mark, and then that's job done. Meal prepared. A great little lid on here as well with a really firm closure. Oh, I can't wait to try this, I'm quite hungry now. Alright, give it a good shake. So I think this will be great, you know, if you're on the move. So I've mixed all that up now. I'm going to let it stand for 2 to 3 minutes. Let all the ingredients get absorbed by the water. And I'm going to have my first taste. So how convenient is this? You know, if you're hiking or you're really busy or you miss a meal, I think it's a brilliant substitute. But I'm using it solely as a food source over this 30 hours. So I'll see what it does. So here goes, guys, this is my breakfast. God, that's a stiff cap on there. Let's give this a go. Nice crunchy bits in there. Must be the nuts. Nice flavour. Will it sustain me though? That's the question. But it's certainly easy to get a meal down you. So I've consumed half of this now. I feel quite full, which is a good sign. It's got quite a nice sweet taste. I like the crunchy bits in it. At the moment I'm quite impressed. But they say 4 to 5 hours you should be sustained after drinking one of these. So let's see if I am. But I just hope food doesn't eventually go this way. You know, all soluble all the time. Because more and more people like convenience. But this is definitely a must if you do like your conveniences or you are on a hike. Great product for that. But the flavour is really nice. So it's awesome product as well if you want to do a stealth camp somewhere. You know, you're getting all your nutrients and vitamins. No cooking, no smoke, no fire. Might have to do another stealth camp out, guys. But what a gorgeous day. And I think it's got quite a long shelf life on it. Also got 13th for the 11th 2019, so there's quite a bit of shelf life on it. So I've nearly finished now, guys. And do I feel like I've had a breakfast? Yeah, it feels like I've had a breakfast. Let's see how sustaining it is after a few hours. I might be hungry in 20 minutes or so. So I'll let you know how I feel. I'm obviously not doing a lot, I'm sitting down relaxing. And I've made an active mix as well. So might keep me going, might only need 2 of these today. See how I feel. but I do like the bottle. Really nice. But I've nearly drunk it all and I'm not sick of the flavour. I haven't got bored of it. I'm building a nice fire pit because it's going to get a bit chilly tonight. I think about 8 degrees, so it's going to feel really cold after this. What are we, 25, isn't it, Bex?
26.
26 degrees, my age. Huh? So I'm just reporting back to you. It's been 5 hours since the last drink and I don't feel hungry at all. I feel quite satisfied still, so I'm going to leave it another half hour, 40 minutes and have another shake. So that'll be my snack for foursies, fivesies, whatever it is. Well, fivesies, call it fivesies. Yeah, so haven't been doing a fat lot, chilling out, reading a book. But yeah, it's kept hunger at bay. I'm gonna have my other one, and that'll sustain me for another 4 hours. So I might get away with 2 today. See how I feel. But oh, this weather's beautiful, isn't it? Bit of heat on the bones. Becky's getting some kindling for the fire, and hammocks are all set. We're pretty set now. So yeah, a great product so far. And I'm going to try a different flavour later. I'm going to try the baked apple, mix it up a bit. Alright guys, I'll catch you back in a bit when I make up my next mix. So another meal now guys. How easy is this to prepare a meal? So I'm going for the baked apple. So I'm not really starving, but I'm just a little bit peckish. But this should tide me over. You gonna have a sip of this one, Bex?
Yeah, I might do. If you can share any.
Because Becky's been on the noodles. Yeah, I'll give you a sip of this. You can have some if you want. I've got plenty. It's the same again. Mixed up the active quantities. It's the quickest meal to prepare though, isn't it? If you're outside.
Yeah, cooking easy. That flavour smells nicer. What was it? Honey?
Baked apple.
Oh, baked apple.
The other one was vanilla. So let's see what this goes down like. Right, this is the baked apple. Let's see what this is like. That's nice. You want to try that, Becky?
Yeah, sure. Give it a go. Smells nice.
Tastes nice. Not so many bits in that one.
God, look at that owl. See that? Yeah, I like this flavour better.
Yeah, that'll do, yeah, because that's my meal.
Ooh, very nice.
Like it?
Tastes like baked apples. Wonder why. Yeah, it tastes really nice. I like that one.
So you'd consume that, would you?
Yeah, I prefer it to the vanilla.
You go on a hike with that?
Yeah, it's quite nice.
So this amazing meal drink contains organic oats, organic flax seeds, almonds, natural yeast, canola oil, sunflower seeds, organic walnuts and sea buckthorn, all what a growing boy needs, and it's all organic. Not only is it portable, nice to drink, it's full of organic products.
Yeah, really healthy, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. And it's nice to have in the summer as well, isn't it? Refreshing.
It's quite nice, yeah. It'd be nice warm in the winter though. It's kind of like a porridge, isn't it? It'd be quite nice in the morning. So me and Becky are going to list some of the benefits of this drink. It's really portable. You don't need any form of pots and pans or stoves to make it.
I would say it's really good for travelling, or if you're always on the go and you don't have time to cook. or don't have the facilities.
Also good for busy mums that are rushing around, take their kids to school, miss out on meals here and there.
Another positive is it's got healthy ingredients and it's got quite nice flavours.
All the people that hike or bike or get themselves in the outdoors that don't want to lug all their food, definitely a good product for that.
It comes with quite a nice bottle that's reusable and you can use it for drinking water out of or collecting water as well.
And I do like that.
Yeah, you hang it, can't you? Carabiner or something.
Yeah, I do like that. So morning guys, well I've been up a while, so I'm going to have my breakfast now. So it's been about 25 hours. I had 2 meals yesterday of this, so 2 servings of this. That kept me going all day yesterday, and I'm going to have my 3rd one. Yeah, really recommend the product. You know, you've seen what I eat and it's sustained me. I haven't felt really hungry. I've had plenty of energy, do bits and pieces. So hopefully for some of you guys you're going to be going out and testing this product. So cheers guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the great outdoors. I'm going to mix up my final batch and then head home. So me and Becky have had a great camp out and the weather beautiful this morning. So see you on the next one guys. Cheers.